Guys, welcome back. So today, just got my package in from Brazil. I got this Stetsom Infinite 60 amp automatic bivolt digital power supply and charger. So wait until you see my idea for this. I'm not gonna get into any details or anything right now, but I have plans for this, and I have future plans, and if my idea goes correctly, which I'm hoping, I might change the face of car audio. So we'll see what happens. So why don't we get into it? We'll take a closer look. I haven't opened this or anything yet. Oh wow. They give you a whole bunch of stuff. They give you the Pro Charger, or charger, and Taramps calls it a Pro Charger. And this is a Stetsom sticker. That'll look nice on my car, nice addition. And a little instruction booklet. Little instruction booklet here. Just basic. I mean, there's not much to it. Check it out here. We have an on and off switch. That was one of the reasons I got this over the Taramps, was because of that on and off switch. The Taramps doesn't have an on off switch. You actually have to either unplug the wire or unplug your this plugs into the wall here. It has a European plug. I have the adapter, and I also have another thing that has an adapter for our American style plugs. Well, let's just get into it because I'm going to open it anyways. This isn't going back anywhere. I'm definitely going to use this. So 60 amps is enough to do a good overpowered 500 watt amplifier all day long. So here's the power switch. It's a click. This is your voltage. It goes from 12.6 to 14.4, so you can actually change your voltage right on here. Has a digital readout monitor right there. Tells you your voltage, your current, standby, or if it went into protection. Has your plus, your minus. It looks like it's about 8 gauge, so I think I might have to shrink my wires. I think I have some wire adapters, and here is the plug. Here's the plug. It's just a regular plug here, and it has the European style plug, and I have the adapter for it, so we're gonna plug that right in, and we'll get it going. So the next video, I should have a subwoofer, an amplifier, music source running off of this. Alright guys, so stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like the video. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Click the bell in the corner, as my son would say. And we'll see you guys all next time. Thanks for watching.